Hi guys, this is my first full-fledged video, and in this video I will show you how to make a computer out of Lego. This computer will be several times smaller than the real one, but it doesn't really matter. Let's go! Let's start with the motherboard, of course. To make a motherboard, we will need these following details. We install the platforms as shown in the video and then just repeat after me. It's ready. Next is the processor. Everything is easy here. One square plate and two smooth ones. Finally, the stickers came in handy. Insert the processor into the socket. Next, we will do cooling of the processor. And we need these details. Repeat after me. Install the fan on the motherboard. Now let's make RAM. It's very easy. And the second. We put them in the motherboard, inserting them parallel to the motherboard itself. HDD and SSD will be original boxes with Lego attached fasteners. Attach them to the back of the board. Now let's make it a power supply. Since we will need wires here, I decided to use Lego motors, namely their wires. Having made the base, we will place the motors in the power supply. Connect red to red, blue to blue. Well, now the most interesting thing is the video card. First, let's take a large platform and make walls in it. Don't forget to make a partition for the connection to the motherboard. Now the cooling of the video card. I made it out of turbines from Lego submarines and Lego Technic parts. Install. Put the cover fasteners. Now let's decorate the video card with a beautiful cover. Now we have a cool video card. Let's install it. And now we need to make a case, but I decided to abandon it and make a PC on an open stand. For this we will need to make a stand. We need these details. Lego PC is ready. Enjoy! Now the video ends. Goodbye!